Titan. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has some tantalizing similarities with. It has nitrogen-rich air, cloudy skies, mountains, rivers, and lake. However, this chilly world is far too life as we know it. In 1980, when the Voyager 1 spacecraft returned the first close-up images of Titan, the scientists back on Earth were disappointed. A thick, orange haze covered the moon, hiding the surface from view. However, the haze turned out to be a fascinating mix of the kind of carbon chemicals that existed on Earth billions of years ago, before life began. In the distant future, when the sun brightens and Titan warms up, conditions on the surface may become just right for life. Seeing through the clouds, a layer of haze surrounds Titan, making it impossible to photograph the surface from space. However, the Cassini spacecraft had a radar system that could see through the haze by bouncing radio waves off the ground. Radar beam. As Cassini flew past Titan, its radar beam scanned different strips of the moon's surface, gradually building up a global map. Mapping Titan. Cassini's map of Titan shows the height of the ground in color. The mountain peaks are red. Some of the mountains may be ice volcanoes, from which a mix of water and ammonia erupts. As the liquid flows down the sides, it freezes, making the volcano grow. Distant shores. This Cassini radar view has been color-coded to show low-lying, smooth areas as blue, and higher, rougher areas as orange. The colors reveal Titan's lakes and rivers. These contain not water but carbon chemicals such as ethane. Surface view. In January 2005, the European Space Agency's Huygens space probe landed on Titan's surface. Once released from the orbiting Cassini spacecraft, Huygens took 3 weeks to reach Titan and then parachute down to the surface to return the first images of the hidden world below. This photo shows rocks of...
Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more creative videos and share your friends.